Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing what we call this game. I forget. I'm gonna use only the assault rifle gun in this. So everybody select arena. So let's get it. Let's keep going, man. So I'm gonna select my assault rifle. I'm not gonna use anything, only the assault rifle. So yeah, let's go. Come on. Okay. Oh yeah, there was. I think they're getting sniper. What? Who is this? Well, being said. Is this hacker or something? I think that boy is hacker. How? I didn't even see him. How did he kill me? Wait. Now it's my time. You are gone. The bin said you are gone. You're finished, man. Just wait. Just see. Oh, the sniper guy. What? Yeah. How did he jump over my head? What? How? I didn't understand anything. How? I didn't even see the guy. I don't know how they something was taken care on the. I don't know. I think I'm new player. That's why I don't know. So that much. He'll come. Okay, come on. You can do it. Come on. Put it. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. You're my man. 1 versus 2. Okay, now we have to be 2 versus again 2 and 2. Okay, let's keep going. See my gun, it's glowing. Wow, I love the skin of the gun. Okay, you're on top of that. Oh, you almost hit me. Wait, 1 second. Oh, come on. I don't know what's wrong with me. I thought I'm pro. I thought I'm better, but someone is far better. Okay, my teammate is gone. Now I am alone. So let's see. Okay. And I'm wait. Okay. Come on. Work, sniper. They thought that I'm easy. Bro, I'm pro, man. Oh. Come on. I'm dead with dagger.